you will learn how to import contents from a Moodle course into a template or live course shell. This is an example of an empty course. As you can see, there are no teaching materials in this Moodle import example course. I want to add the contents from another course. To begin, I'm going to find the course from which I want to import contents. My goal is to copy the course short name from the actual course. So this is the course I want to copy or import over into that blank course. To accomplish that, I go to Course Management up at the top, Edit Course Settings under the Course Settings column, and I will find the course short name, and if I click 3 times in here, it will select the course short name, and from there I can do Control C on a PC or Command C on a Mac, or I can right click and copy. Now I will return back to, now that I've copied the course short name, before I return back, let me just go ahead and exit this screen by selecting Home. So now I am going to go back to the course that I want to import the contents into. I will select Course Management. Under Course Settings, there is an import link. And now you notice a list of course short names and full names. And this is the very reason I copied the short name from that course, is because it would take a long time to find it. So now I can simply paste the short name into this area and select Continue. Now the name of the course shows up as the only course. I select the radio button and Continue. Now if I want to import every single item from the original course into my template or shell, I will just leave all of these boxes selected and jump to the final step. However, if I only want to import certain items, I can go through each page by clicking Next and then deciding which items I want to go ahead and import, and leaving a checkbox next to each item that I want to import into the new course. In this example, I want to go ahead and import everything, so I really should have just selected Perform Import. But I'll go ahead and click Next just to show you, and now it will show me and confirm everything with green check marks that is going to be imported into my new course. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, I can do Perform Import, and if there's a lot of contents and videos and large files, it may take a while, but if it's not a very large course, it should go pretty quickly. But this little status bar will show you how the progress is going on the import. Once the import is complete, a green status bar will show that, and you may click Continue. And now you can see that that empty blank course shell is now filled with all of the contents from the course that I imported. It is very important that you now do some editing here so that you can change course dates and make sure that everything is correct for the current semester that you will be teaching. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for importing course contents into a shell or template. Bye.